Swami Dayananda Saraswati was one of the greatest teachers of Vedanta. 20 years ago, Swamiji's invaluable teachings were available only in the form of small stapled pocketbooks. In 2004, it was decided that his teachings and talks would be transcribed and published. To undertake this endeavor, the Arshavidya Research and Publication Trust was established under the leadership of Srimati Sheela Balaji and Srimati Sunita Shantaram. The first editors who served as pillars of the trust, Ms. Chandra Krishnaswamy and Dr. Ranganayaki Iyengar, were instrumental in bringing out the first two titles, Living Intelligently and Successful Living, in July 2004. Pujya Swamiji would himself look through the manuscript, slash out parts, and write notes himself. Today, AVRNPT has published around 72 titles. AVRNPT profusely thanks Swami Sakshat Kritananda Saraswati Ji for his contribution in publishing Pujya Swamiji's commentaries on the Upanishads. A major milestone was the recognition given by the Federation of Indian Publishers. All books published by AVRNPT are designed exclusively with text because we wanted each reader to stay with the thought of Pujya Swamiji and his wisdom. This was an effort to stay true to the essence of what it felt like to be at one of his talks. AVRNPT's books are available in an array of languages, both Indian and international.
So translating Swamiji's book in French, so what an adventure, right? I mean, you can spend days and sometimes weeks just to get the precise intention behind a word or a sentence and get all its nuances, its subtlety and its depth. So in that way, it has been for me really a sadhana. And obviously the other benefit was for people who, like me, couldn't have access to this teaching in English, who couldn't be comfortable in English, and now could read and have access of this beautiful vision of Vedanta in their own language.
In 2016, AVRNPT released 52 titles on Kindle. The Trust also created an app called Teachings of Swami Dayananda. The digital app, Teachings of Swami Dayananda, was an initiative by Nandana Chaitanya, student of Pujya Swamiji, in the last 3-year course at Anekatti. She helped us implement the app, thereby reaching out Pujya Swamiji's teachings to that many more people. In March 2018, Jnana Pravaha, a special reading and research center dedicated to Pujya Swamiji's teachings, was inaugurated. Located in Manjaguri, Pujya Swamiji's Janma Bhumi, Jnana Pravaha has over 7,000 hours of digital content, a quiet center designed for in-depth study. Jnana Pravaha is an ideal space for Vedantic pursuits and contemplation. We thank the innumerable contributors who helped to make this work possible and reach the treasures of Pujya Swamiji's teachings to all those who are yearning to get a glimpse of this timeless knowledge.